Welcome to our channel. To watch free anime using a downloader code in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your streaming device and ensure you have a reliable internet connection. Step 2. Open the downloader app on your device. If you don't have it, install it from your device's official app store. Step 3. Tap on the URL field in the downloader app to activate the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Enter the anime streaming downloader code, type it exactly as shown to avoid errors. Step 5. Press Go to initiate the download. The anime app will start downloading immediately. Step 6. Once the download is finished, click Install when the installation screen appears. Step 7. Launch the anime streaming app and explore thousands of anime titles from classic series to the latest releases. Step 8. Watch your favorite anime shows and movies in high quality with subtitles and dubbed versions available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.